We have lots of cucumber and I'm going to harvest these ones so the plant will have energy to let all these flowers go to fruit. Can harvest at least 4 today. But look at that one at the end. It's all fruit. And it's going on to the roof now. But for now I'm going to harvest this. Comes off. These are so-called Persian cucumbers, meaning they don't go gigantic and tough. They are very delicate, and those who know the good cucumber, they know that this is the flavor you get of the freshness when you try anything that they say that perfume of the or flavor of the cucumber. If I let them, they grow bigger, but I don't want they grow bigger, so I'm just harvesting them as they are so we can have a salad. And this is another plant also which has some baby cucumbers. I'm going to harvest this one. If I don't do it, these other flowers will not develop into fruit. So instead of like Charles Darwin, which he says that he lets them grow because the shops that he's selling need them to be big to pay for them, we don't need to wait that long. I just harvest it and I like it like this. And it's not an obligation for me to, make it big so I can sell it. I'm happy with what it is. And in the moment also I can remove the sick and yellowing leaves. So the lower part of the plant will be alright. This one has a tiny yellow dot of yellow, so I'm just removing that one. That means the plant will have more to do. This one I'll do it tomorrow. As you can see, the door of the polytunnel on that side, at least from the 60 centimeter upward, is open. Temperature is 25 degrees at the moment. And this polytunnel is built in a way that it has some natural ventilation in those corners. The same here. So this is the harvest for today. Cucumber. This has some calendula, which is nice to have it in the salad or food. It just gives color also if you add it to any food. They're been called saffron of the poor, which of course is nice to have some color. It doesn't have the flavor or aroma of the saffron. Now this is the cucumber. I chopped it and I chopped also some onions. And this is some chopped tomato. I add them together, squeeze of lemon, which is here. And that's it. That will be a salad from the freshly harvested cucumber. Chopped some mint and I'm adding it to it. And that's it, ready from the garden. The salad. It's called Shirazi salad. Shiraz is a town in Iran. And sunflower of calendula, which is edible. Now this salad is ready.